Hi there everyone, this is Kelly Gettelfinger with Always Stampin' Videos, stamping for Split Coast Stampers, and today I'm going to show you how to make the pop-out card. This is a cute little card that has the focal point popping out of the front of the card. When you open it up, the focal point just stays right where it's put, and then you can close it and bring that focal point back through the opening, so it's a pop-out card. Let me show you what you need to get started. You're going to need a piece of cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 11, some decorative paper, stamps and ink, some embellishments, adhesive, and 2 dies or 2 punches. The focal point die or punch will be slightly larger than the opening die or punch. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is create my opening. So I've folded my cardstock and then run my die and card through the Big Shot to create my opening. And next I'm going to create the focal point, the heart. So I'm taking my decorative paper and I'm going to fold it so that I can get one swoop with my Big Shot and create all 3 of those hearts. So then I come up with this. And then you're going to fold 2 of your hearts and adhere those to the back of your focal point. So I already have adhesive on them. Then you're going to add adhesive to the folded hearts or to the folded focal points. So the pieces that were folded, that's where I'm going to add my adhesive, and I've already done that. Then I'm going to take the card and slip the folded pieces through the front of the opening. So I want to make sure you can see that. And that's how I'm going to adhere it to the inside of the card. And so it looks like that. And now it's ready for you to decorate and embellish however you like. And I've done mine like this. I've stamped I Just Love You and added a little embellishment epoxy heart there. Inside I have stamped from the heart. There you have it, the pop out card. Thanks for watching and thanks for visiting Split Coast Stampers.